First Alert Action Day, and we have video here showing you, this is our Fairfield camera, the Mercedes of Fairfield Skycam in Solano County. An ominous look to the skies right there.
Kind of traffic, you can tell. Some folks are out and about today. We know that not crazy impacts, but we've got some storms moving in, Brian, that do kind of raise a little bit of a concern. We know that you're tracking all of them. So let's bring Brian back in, just kind of with what you are seeing tonight. More storms moving in.
Yeah, you go to this patch, or go to our full forecast, and you'll see, I want you to see the patchwork that is the watches and warnings that are not even in place right now, but these are in place for tomorrow, later tomorrow. So a lot of action going on right now. Here's the way it's all set up. We've got wind advisories, we've got winter storm warnings, we've got flood watches. Tomorrow, that's later tomorrow. So tomorrow night into Saturday for the most part, but I wanted to show them to you early so you could prepare. So we're expecting strong wind and certainly very heavy rain on the way in those areas. What are we seeing now? All of California clearing out pretty well. I like the sound of that, right? I know you do too. I like this, the scene that is showing right there. Modesto, a few showers earlier today too, and that's really what we saw in most areas. There's some pretty early stuff in the overnight hours, and it was light. Still a lot of fireworks went off unabated. It was actually pretty impressive to see, especially when you get so much rain in the forecast and then it just kind of steady as she goes. This one will not be steady. This one is going to drive its way on through. Powerful cold front with it, bringing some stronger wind, and that atmospheric river bringing some very heavy rain, and that'll be later Friday into Saturday. Let me throw it in with our Futurecast. There's a different version of the Futurecast I want to show you. So you can see for tonight, scattered showers possible. That's what Futurecast is showing. It's not popping up any heavier ones. So, obviously with that sun heating the lower layers, we're concerned about that sort of buoyancy in the atmosphere and getting some big thunderstorms going. Hasn't happened yet, so I'm happy to say that. Not locally, maybe up to Redding, but not here so much. And then you see we get a nice little break, and even through tomorrow afternoon, temperatures will rebound nicely because of that nice break. And then here comes some big activities you can see right there driving its way through the area. That cold front will come through. And once again, we're going to be talking about strong wind and really plenty of mountain snow as well, and reduced visibilities with that strong wind popping into the picture. And there's some heavier rounds right there as the mountains wring out the moisture. And then the snow levels will drop through the end of the week. And this pattern continues through the end of the week and early next week, where we just see one bout after another with a few breaks. And look at that mess in the local mountains. That's early in the morning hours, not a time you'd want to travel up there at all by the wee hours of Saturday morning. And then more comes ashore. So you can see we'll be very busy. Obviously not that busy tonight, which we're very thankful for, but that'll certainly change. So 50s and 60s in the picture for tomorrow because of that late rainfall. And the timing is always important. This system actually has a history of speeding up and slowing down. So very interesting to see. When it speeds up, it gets here sooner. When it slows down, this is exactly what you're seeing right there. More 60s popping in because it gives you most of your day for tomorrow. So I don't create the timing, I just report on it, I'll tell you that. But that leaves us with Saturday being a very important day for our First Alert Action Day, with some rough and tumble weather early that lingers into Sunday and Monday. So once again, a very active weather pattern. Well, you'll hear that word a lot, along with unsettled. And it does change up a little bit through the middle of next week, but not entirely. We get a few break days, maybe Tuesday and Thursday. Wednesday looked like it was going to be a little drier, but now it's starting to pop up as maybe we'll see a storm lingering in for that day as well. Remember, the foothills saw just the lion's share of the rainfall last time around, so we're still concerned about mudslides and runoff and flooding. So flooding will definitely be an issue we'll be following. Once again, minor rivers, not expecting them more than the action stage, but we'll be watching that closely. But for that extended period, it's all about plenty more mountain snow. Back to you guys.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Brian.